It's your friendly neighborhood sandwich dad here. Hello, and I've been racking my brain for new sandwich ideas. And when you rack your brain, what comes out? Head cheese. Jellied head cheese. Let's give this a try. It looks interesting. Okay, we're going to add to it what I'd probably put on a BLT if I was going to make it, but it's an HCLT. Plus some other stuff. Anyways, give that bread a toast, multigrain. We're going to throw some Kewpie mayonnaise on both sides, some nice Coslicks hot mustard on one side, a buttload of dill, because why not? Throw on some crispy iceberg lettuce, a couple of nice ripe tomatoes with salt and pepper, of course, and some pickles, why not? Some nice sliced pickles, and then we'll dive right in to the star of the show. Ugh. Head cheese. Look at that jiggle. Now, head cheese, or hog's head cheese, is parts of a pig's head all put together in an aspic of its own jelly. So, let's get that top on without further ado. Looks like a pretty good sandwich for the most part. Let's cut diagonally and reveal. Yeah, if you didn't know any better, you'd be like, hey, this looks like a terrific sandwich. Let's give it a taste test. Over the lips and through the gums. Look out, textural nightmare. Here we come. You know, the flavor is actually very good. You know, it's actually a very nice tasting sandwich, but then every once in a while you get that firm jelly texture left in your mouth. You can see it there, translucent sandwich, and it does taste good, but not my favorite. Still, I'm going to finish it because I don't like to waste food, and hey, I tried head cheese. Maybe you should too. This is Sandwich Dad saying, wait for it, good day!